Is it actually possible to get top-tier competitive wireless gaming specs without spending over $100? Today, we are looking at the Attack Shark V3PRO. With an ultra-lightweight build, a high-end sensor, and premium Omron switches, this budget mouse is aiming straight for the top tier. Let's unbox it, see what's inside, and test if it's worth your money. Opening the box, Attack Shark gives us a really solid package. We get the V3PRO mouse, a braided charging cable, and the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. But they also throw in some awesome extras. You get a set of custom-cut grip tape, and even a sheet of fun cartoon stickers, which is a nice little bonus to slap on your PC case or laptop. I actually went ahead and applied the included grip tape right out of the box. It fits perfectly, and it gives the mouse an incredibly locked-in, premium feel in your hand. Even with the tape applied, this mouse is a feather-light 62 grams. It makes flicking and tracking in fast-paced shooters feel completely effortless. But what really matters is what's under the hood. The V3PRO is packing the PAW3311 sensor, boasting up to 25,000 DPI, 40 Gs of acceleration, and 400 IPS tracking. Simply put, your crosshair will never spin out, no matter how fast you swipe. They also upgraded the main clicks to premium Omron switches rated for 100 million clicks. They are crispy, tactile, and incredibly satisfying. For connectivity, it features tri-mode, meaning you can use it wired, on Bluetooth for productivity, or on the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle for zero-delay gaming with a 1000 Hz polling rate. And surprisingly, for a 62-gram mouse, they managed to fit a massive 500 mAh battery inside, so you won't have to charge it every single day. To get the absolute lowest latency out of this mouse, you do need to adjust the debounce time in the software. I am making a dedicated step-by-step setup guide for this exact mouse, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss those zero-delay settings. Overall, the value Attack Shark is packing into the V3PRO is incredible. If you want to grab one to upgrade your aim, I've put an Amazon link right at the top of the description below. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the setup guide.